Now students, talking about outlines, it is very important and very remarkable and significant part of your essay. Suppose you go to a bakery to buy a chocolate cake. First of all, you would enter into the chocolate cake section. Now there are so many chocolate cakes. Which cake would you prefer or which cake would you opt? Can you tell me? Yes, from the topping. Similarly, an examiner actually try to examine your essay by the shape of your outlines. If your outlines are appealing and attractive, he will definitely award you good marks. Otherwise, he would try to discard or dislike your essay. Here, I would like to give you three very important hints in order to make your outlines very appealing and attractive. And in my book, I have not only spared a full length chapter for writing good outlines and effective outlines, but I've also given smart vocabulary items and different idiomatic phrases so that students can easily ornate their outlines with beautiful words. But right now we will try to learn what are the three most important things in order to have a good and impressive outline. First one, smart vocabulary and collocations. Like cherry or strawberry on the toppings attracts the customers, similarly, good vocabulary also appeals the examiner. Here's an example. CPAC will strengthen Pakistan's relationship with China. Now I try to make it more appealing by using effective lexical resources. CPAC corroborates bilateral relations. So here you can clearly find the difference that which one is more effective. Now, my second important principle is terseness and compactness. You might have listened a very beautiful line by Shakespeare. He says, brevity is the soul of the wit. So try to avoid writing outlines in a very loose, bulky or very wordy manner. So you should try to make it terse, crispy and more concise. So here is an example. You have to guess which one is more catchy. Education can solve all the problems of the society. Education, a panacea to all the ills and evils. Now the third one is avoid repetition. Here I would like to quote a very important line from Francis Bacon. He says that reading makes a full man. So you should try to diversify your knowledge by reading from different sources like magazines, books, newspapers. It will not only try to fill your knowledge but also replete you with different lexical resources and good ideas. Now let's move towards writing actual essay. The first step is introductory paragraph.